Today, me and my friend Bob, we're gonna help you to study skeletal anatomy. So today we're gonna look at the thoracic cage. This is a thoracic cage or thorax. So right in the middle, we see the sternum. So the sternum is the breastplate. So the sternum is made out of the three parts: the body, manubrium, and xiphoid process. So thoracic cage has 24 ribs. So anteriorly we see that ribs are attached to the sternum via the cartilage, hyaline cartilage. So when we look at the ribs, well, there are 12 on one side, 12 on another side. So the first 7 ribs are the true ribs. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th. You see the 7th rib through the cartilage attached directly to the sternum. So that's why we call these 7 ribs are the true ribs. Posteriorly, the first rib attached to a thoracic vertebrate is a T1, and let's count the rib number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if we follow this rib through the cartilage anteriorly, it's attached directly to the sternum. So the rib number 8, 9, and 10, these 3 ribs, right? They're not directly attached to the sternum, so we call them false ribs. Rib number 8, 9, and 10. They also attach to the cartilage, but not directly to the sternum. They attach through the 7th rib cartilage and then to the sternum. And then the last 2 ribs, the rib number 11 and 12, are the floating ribs, because anteriorly they're not attached to anything. So that's why we call them floating ribs. So the last rib, the 12th rib, attached to the vertebrate T12. The next vertebrate after that, it will be lumbar vertebrate. So also, if you look at the vertebrates of the thorax, their spinous processes are very spiky, and you see they kind of point down. This is one of the features of thoracic vertebrates, and if you compare them to lumbar vertebrates, you see it's like a hatchet. So these are the major differences between those 2 vertebrates. So another name for the ribs are the costal ribs, because they run from cost, from anterior side to the posterior side. So the costal ribs. Also right here where the manubrium is, there's a notch. Well, this notch is called jugular notch right here. This little notch right here, jugular notch. And these 2 notches articulate with the clavicle. In this video we discussed major anatomy of the thorax. In the next video we're gonna discuss major landmarks of the thorax. So let's say thank you to my friend Bob for this very exciting tutorial.